Hi, I'm Larry Berman, and here's what's on my radar for the last time in 2020. FOMC this week. Jay Powell didn't make the mistake that he made in September by suggesting the Fed could pull back on stimulus. So until substantial further progress has been made towards the committee's maximum employment and price stability goals, and over the coming months, the Federal Reserve will increase its holding of Treasury securities and agency and mortgage-backed securities, at least at the current pace, to sustain a smooth market functioning and to help foster accommodative financial conditions, thereby supporting the flow of credit into households and businesses. The Fed is all in. Now we need the dysfunctional Congress of the United States of America to pass a stimulus bill. As we sit here after market close on Friday, nada. Listen, they better not shut down the government. They're absolutely, these guys are just mind-bogglingly ridiculous. It's got so partisan that they just can't come to an agreement on anything. After the close, we got the bank stress test. All the banks passed with flying colors. They were never even close to their limits in terms of capital reserves through all the stress tests. Wonderful. JP Morgan, Bank of America, well, they're all buying back shares like crazy next year with your taxpayer money. So, shares bid up. Tesla's in the index. Tesla made it to the S&P 500, $695. Ding, 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 ding. To the idiots that have to buy the index. We switched all our exposure on Friday away from the S&P 500 into the S&P equal weighted index, which makes Tesla about this big instead of this big for those who need exposure to the index. We think in 2021, an equal weighted S&P 500 is going to be much better than the overvalued market cap weighted behemoths that the top 10 stocks today make up more than a quarter of the index. It's absolutely mind-numbing. Quick chart here on the last few minutes of trading. Tesla traded in almost a 10% range in the last 2 minutes. This is $50 billion in market cap swinging around like it was nothing. It was air. It was absolutely ridiculous. This stock is worth half, at least, of what it went into the index at. We bought some put spreads paid for by calls, and we're hoping and expecting Tesla to hit at least $400 and collapse in the next couple months. I think it's worth $100. This thing's trading at well over $1 million, probably $1.5 million per car they sell next year. Absolutely ridiculous valuations. I just don't, there's no reason left to buy it. When it comes to the bull and bear pick of the week, what do you do this time of year? Well, I'll tell you what, let's have some fun with it. We're bearish on COVID. We're bearish on the US Congress, and we're bearish on the FOMC for making this all possible. What we're bullish on this time of year, we're bullish on family. We're bullish a little bit on the Santa Claus trade and maybe markets a little bit higher into the end of the year. We're bullish on the holidays and whether for you that's Christmas, Hanukkah, Kwanzaa, or if you're like George and it's Festivus for the rest of us. We hope you have a wonderful holiday season. We'll see you all back in January. Make sure you follow us on YouTube. Thanks to those of you who did. It's been a great year, a lot more coming. See you in 2021, and may 2021 bring you all your hopes and desires. From me, my family, my team here at ETF Capital Management, have a wonderful, wonderful holiday season, a safe holiday season, and we'll see you in 2021.